Senator Meryl Bond's aim has said there is still plenty of scope and for revisiting the memorandum of MOU signed between Meghalaya and Assam in regard to the 6 of the 12 areas of differences. Speaking to reporters on Fridays, AIM said that the MOU signed on March 29 last year is not final as the Parliament will take the final call on the matter. He said that reviewing the MOU was one of the main agendas in the UDP's election manifesto. He said the first phase of the border talks had witnessed discontentment from certain sections of the society as people have expressed their dissatisfaction.
See, when we talk about border issues, so in the first phase we have witnessed there is discontentment from certain section of society. They have expressed their dissatisfaction, and this dissatisfaction also the regional committee, the government has tried to